This is a potato facial. For this, these are the ingredients: 1 potato, 2 teaspoons of milk powder or milk, anything is okay, and this is rose water, a little salt and sugar. This for scrub, okay. Salt is anti-fungal agent, that's why we are using that. So I'll show you how you can. I grind it. So this is the consistency we are getting. It's the consistency. This is a mixture we are going to keep for facial. And first we have to clean our face. For that, I'll show you. First step of facial is we have to clean our face. Okay, I'm showing on my hand. So rub well. We have to rub it for 5 minutes. Okay, I rub it for 5 minutes. I'm using milk. Okay, this is boiled milk, or you can use any milk. With boiled milk or milk, we can clean our face well. We have to rub well the skin. Okay, when we are rubbing, the blood circulation also increase. Second step is scrubbing. For that, I took this sugar, and we made already one potato milk mix now, so that we are going to use 1 teaspoon is enough. So mix it well. Now this is our scrub. So we have to rub this on our face at least for 10 minutes. Rub well. All the dead skin and the sun tang all will remove. We can remove all the sun tang, dead skin and all. While scrubbing, the dead skin also will go. At the same time, blood circulation will increase to the face. So you will get one nice glowing on your face. Now scrubbing is over. So the next step is we have to wipe our face. We can wipe with a tissue paper, or if you have hanky or something like that, towel, we can wipe it. Just press and wipe. Okay, don't wipe like this. So skin will get damaged if you are wiping like this. So just press and wipe. Okay. Now we are going to apply the pack. For the pack, I took this is rice flour. So I took rice flour, and I am going to add this in that rice flour, potato and milk mix. So you have to see the consistency. It should stick on our face. Mix well. And we can apply on our face. I'm showing on the hand because it's video. I don't want to show my face. That's why. Thick pack again. Rice flour is also very good cleaning agent. Okay, so that rice flour also will give you a very good instant glow. And potato, what is the potato duty means? Potato will remove all the pimple mark, all the black mark, sun tang, all the black spots on your skin. So you can apply like this. Because it's corona season, you can't go out and do the facial and all. Don't worry, this is better than the parlor facial. So you can try and you can enjoy this. Whole skin I covered. So by doing like this, instant glow you will get. You can use this 15 days once. or weekly once if you have time. Sunday you can use. If Sunday is not free, another day you can choose, and you will get a very good relaxation in your mind after washing this. It will get little dry. After that we have to wash it off. 30 minutes is over. Now I am going to wash my hand. You are going to apply on your face. Okay, if you want instant glow on your hand, you can use on your hand, feet, full body also you can use this. So after washing I'll show you what's the effect. I washed my hand, so I'm just wiping. See, I applied on my hand. See my hand, it's very nice now. It's very pretty. I am happy to see my hand like this. So when you are applying on your face, you'll get glowing than more than this. Okay, this is a facial better than parlor facial, and you can trust this. This is reliable. Completion of the facial, how we can complete means, little rose water we have to apply on our skin. This is for moisturization. Okay, yeah, thank you.